What's up, guys? So putting new wheels and tires on the Cobra. These have seen some better days. Well, it's kind of nice over here. So 10 years, they're pretty well chopped and kind of have this weird, I don't know if something's separating or something weird, but it's time for new tires. They lasted 10 years, which I'm really kind of impressed. I was thinking I was gonna get maybe 3-4 years because they're a 100 tread wear tire. So yeah, so we're just taking these off and then going to Discount Tire, and they're gonna throw on some new. I got some R888Rs because they don't make the R888 in my size anymore. So I'll show you guys later what those look like. Alrighty, so we got the center caps, and with these are OE wheel replica Salines. They didn't fit well, so James, the genius he is, put some dum-dum in there to kind of hold it in a little bit better. So, but rears actually looks pretty good. Still got some tread left. Obviously don't drive the car a whole lot because I live in this stupid state. But yeah, this side was, here's that thing I was telling you guys about. This one's not as bad, but yeah, it was time for new tires. So here's the car. Take a look underneath here. I gotta clean my exhaust up. It's starting to look bad, and that's just from sitting out here driving in the rain. It's just, probably stainless steel from
China.
There's the nice X-pipe. One thing I have to do is the clutch has been wearing in improperly. The pivot ball I think needs to be shorter because the twin discs are thicker than the factory one. So they didn't say that in the instructions. So the clutch is pretty much on its way out. So what I'm going to do probably next year is I can send it into McLeod and they'll give me 2 new clutch discs, and then they'll resurface my flywheel for like $500 or something like that. So we'll get that kind of cleaned up. But other than that, got the stock rack back in. And it's wonderful, nice and tight. Alrighty, gents. Here are the new tires. 275s in the front. I went with the same size again. And then 315s for the back. So there we go. This is the R888Rs. Alright, so here's my little setup here. So I use this little plastic scraper to pry off the wheel weights. And then I'm just doing a little bit of simple green on the inside. And then some adhesive remover to get the rest of that residue, so we'll have a nice fresh area to mount the new weights to. Without it scratching your wheel like it just did, but there you go. Alright, got them kind of cleaned up. I didn't really clean the faces yet, but got all the inside, the drums clean. No more wheel weights, nice and clean, so they'll be able to stick new weights on without a problem. Got the X-shade loaded up. Hard to fit 315s in the back of this sucker, but able to fit it. I got just a little bit of space up there. But alright, let's head to the shop. I got one of the 275s sitting passenger. Tough sidewall.
Just get home.
Yeah.
That'll make it a little stiffer.
A little stiffer, right? Nice.
Patches look like when you do the DIY ones. Not bad.
Held up pretty good. Can't see where they are anymore. He's working on the last one there. Just up for him. There we go, there are the old tires. Got two over there getting ready to balance. And he's got one more to get installed. And go ahead and put these on like this. These look so sick. Alright, you're all set. Yeah, go ahead and grab them. Yeah. There they are. So there's the new ones, then the old ones. Alright. A little bit easier fit with just four of them. Great looking tire though. So hopefully these will last me as long as the other ones did. And curious to see how sticky they are. I mean, the R888s were super sticky for me before, but interesting to see what the R version is. But huge shout out to the dudes at Discount Tire. CJ's the guy who did the who put these on. He did a really good job. You know, like when you meet someone that really loves their job and is really good at it, that's him. So he did an awesome job. Yeah, the original, the old tires were pretty beefy to get off. So that was awesome. So anyway, catch you guys later. Alrighty guys, got the new tires installed on the car. They look real nice. I haven't even washed the wheels. We'll do a full detail later, but got the steering wheel set up. I will be selling these seats, so if you guys are interested or know anyone that wants a set of pristine 0304 Cobra seats, let me know. Probably gonna do some Recaro pole position seats, sit a little bit lower in the car, but yeah, love my new steering wheel setup. Nice and a little bit smaller. Quick detach is kind of fun, and then the Alcantara on the wheel is pretty nice. But the fronts, so I went with the same size. So we got 275, 3518, and then 315, 3018 in the rear, and that works out pretty nice for the car. So I'll kind of keep you guys updated. Springtime, I'll probably change out the supercharger oil. I've never done that, and the car is at I think 65,000 miles, so probably a good time to do that. And I think I need to probably take out a little bit of power steering. When we swapped the stock rack back into the car, and now I have no play, so steering's finally fixed, but so I'll suck a little bit of the excess power steering fluid out. But yeah, next thing to do is just get it aligned, and I think we're gonna do the string alignment here, because I think everything's pretty much dialed in except for, you know, my wheel will be a little crooked, so we'll straighten that out. But yeah, these look fantastic. Yeah. Great looking tire and very sticky, and then like I said, they lasted me a very long time. So I definitely really like these tires and would definitely recommend them. Alright, so we got this old school scale. We're gonna see how much the car weighs. Stock is 3662, and this has got a full tank of gas, and we're just gonna see how much it weighs.
You don't have to screw it in, just slide it in.
Just click it in.
Yeah, just stick it in.
What do you reckon it's gonna weigh?
I'm gonna say 3720.
3720. I'm gonna say I'll say 3750.
Alright. So, zero it.
Nice.
Turn it on.
Alright, looks like all the weight's on there. 36.99. That's pretty good.
Your cross is pretty good too. 50.6.
Really? Look at that. Alright, so we got, so this is left front's 1057, 1062, right rear 769, 810. Interesting. So
Yeah.
4250.
Yeah.
Not terrible.
No.
I mean, for a iron block. And then total
OEM car, essentially.
3697 is what it settled to.
Still front heavy, but
Yeah, of course. That's pretty cool. I'm actually kind of surprised, considering 14-inch Willwood brakes on it, upgraded rear brakes. Not bad. Yeah, bigger wheels. Cool. Alrighty. So anyway, guys, hopefully you liked this video of the Cobra and getting the new tires put on. Definitely be doing some more videos once it kind of warms up here a little bit more. But if you guys enjoyed the video, give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out a bunch, guys. And we'll catch you guys in the next video.